I've been working on some cracks in the driveway here. I've got this little one left. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it out, fill it in with some of this stuff, and we'll see how that goes. So to get this done, I use one of my favorite tools, the hammer, chisel, widen out the crack a little bit, and wire brush. Let's hope that's not fire ants. It just got dirt all over it. Alright, I started the vacuum and a couple pieces kind of flaked off, so I'm just going to chisel out the whole length of the crack just to make sure I bust any loose stuff out. So I'll let you watch that. Let's see. And much more is loose. Yeah. Put this in to keep the stuff from flowing into the yard. I'll put it back in a minute. It's a little bit premature. You always want the good clean crack before you apply the concrete sealant to it. So we did that. Let's hit it with the vacuum once. I'll save you the noise. Okay, I got the crack vacuumed out. Put my little flow control here back in. Alright, I don't know how this is going to look. I'm trying out a super close-up, but I've shaked up my mix. This side. Here we go. Let's start over here. I know you can't see it yet, but we'll get there. Oh, look at that. That piece is loose. There we go. Oops. So I just put a little in. Watch for it to settle somewhere, like right there. Get a little bit more in there. Oh, easy. Got a mess up under here where you can't see. Thank goodness. May not be a perfect fix, but it's definitely better than it was. That's how you want to leave things. A little bit more down here. This whole area needs a little bit. And then just let it settle, and we might put another application in tomorrow. A little bit more right through there. Why not right there? I don't do anything with it, I just let it soak in. I don't mind if it sticks up a little bit. It keeps the water out of that old crack. So, there you go. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.